Hello, everyone. Did you know there are 3 system apps on your Android phone that can run in the background and drain your battery even if you never use them? In this video, I'll quickly show you which apps to check and how to disable them to improve your battery life. First, open Settings on your Android smartphone. Scroll down to Apps. Tap the 3 lines or menu option and enable Show System Apps. Now you'll see hidden system applications. Let's start with the first one, Android Auto. If you don't use Android Auto in your car, you should disable it. This app is designed to connect your phone to your car's screen, so you can use navigation, music, calls, and voice commands safely while driving. It's useful, but only if you actually use it. If not, go inside the app settings and tap Disable. The second app is Device Health Services. This app monitors your battery, temperature, and overall phone performance. Basically, it tracks your device's condition in the background. While it sounds helpful, many users don't really need it running all the time. Disabling it can reduce background activity and help improve battery life. The third app is Bixby for Samsung users. Bixby is Samsung's voice assistant. If you don't use voice commands, this app is constantly on standby, waiting for activation, and that consumes battery. Many people already use Google Assistant or Gemini, so running multiple assistants at the same time can seriously drain power. If you don't use Bixby, disable it. So to recap, disable Android Auto if you don't use it. Turn off Device Health Services to reduce background monitoring. Disable Bixby if you don't rely on voice commands. After doing this, you should notice better battery performance and less frequent charging. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay smart, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.